My name is Chris Piscettelli. I'm with Product Design back in Auburn Hills, Michigan, and we're out here camping on the Rubicon Trail. And I'm really excited to talk to you about the new JL Wrangler. So to redesign an icon, we go back to day one, the original Willys MB. Now understand that this was never meant to be a consumer product. It was simply a solution to a military issue. The Army had kind of realized that they had worn out the horse and they needed a nimble and agile, capable vehicle that was four-wheel drive and capable of getting people around. 80 years later, or almost 80 years later, we still retain that form follows function mentality. And even a lot of that classic silhouette remains today, albeit done in a new way that's very technical and innovative. Overall, the Wrangler, it retains a lot of that heritage, a lot of that flavor from the original one, but it's more capable and it's more refined than ever before, but it still retains its roots as that ultimate adventure machine.